Hey everyone, Raven here, and we are going to talk about braiding your way to $1,000,000. Now, before we get into that, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel, you know you want to, and also visit tjtroop.com, okay? Now, us as black women, I believe we are superheroes because we are multi-talented. We can do everything, and braiding hair is just something we are really good at, right? Am I right? Now, why not make money off of doing something that you're really good at? Am I wrong or am I right? I'm right, right? All right, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. So $1,000,000 is in their future with the right plan. So let's find out how, even something like hair braiding. So, like always, and we always preach about making a plan, because if you don't have a plan, you're just going to be running around like a chicken with his head cut off. You know, not to be gross or anything, but that's how you're going to be running around, and that's how 90% of businesses do not make it, because you don't have a plan. So let's go ahead, let's grab a sheet of paper, grab a pen, because we are going to be taking notes here. So at the top of the paper, write 5 years and $1,000,000. All right, I detail the many reasons you need a 5-year plan. And I'm also going to post a link on the 5-year plan that we have on tjtrue.com. Now, how do we do that? That's the question. If you charge $100 a head and spend 4 hours on each head, 8 hours a day, it would take you roughly 14 years to do it, right? So that can't be a plan. Also, no one wants to work that hard for that long, especially since being alive, you got to pay rent, you have bills, transportation is going to eat up at least half of that, right? So, what's the plan? You guys have any plans? Go ahead and leave in the comment, all right? So here's the approach. We want $1,000,000. So what do we do to get that $1,000,000? We've got to figure out all the ways to capitalize that skill. Yes, capitalize hair braiding, all right? That's the beginning approach. But what's next? Let's take some notes on all of the different ways to use hair braiding to make $1,000,000. I know you still have your paper. I know you still have your pen. Believe me, get ready to write these notes down. Let's calculate what we would have to do in each area to make $1,000,000 in 5 years. Yep, $1,000,000 in 5 years. All right, so let's get the writing. Hair braiding, let's say, is $100 a head, right? 8 heads a day, 40 heads a week for 5 years. All right, so you have lookbooks for sale, $150 a piece. You sell 6,667 lookbooks in 5 years. All right, so hair care and braiding video courses, let's say you'll charge a good $250 or more. You'll sell 4,000 courses in 5 years. Just think about it. Sometimes people, they do things, they don't have a plan, and they don't know their goal at the end. Now, I just gave you guys a clear example. Hair braiding, $100 a head, 8 heads a day, 40 heads a week. That's for 5 years. You got $1,000,000 there, right? So let's say you have lookbooks for sale, $150 a piece, 6,667 lookbooks in 5 years. So hair care and braiding video courses, you know, you can go on YouTube and get those, right? Why not sell them? Why not network? Why not make it profitable, right? That's the goal. So hair and care braiding video courses, $250 or more, you're going to sell 4,000 courses in 5 years. All right, so we're going to go back to affiliate marketing for hair care and related products. Let's say $5 commission for the product you sell. Sell 200,000 units in 5 years. Let me know if your wrist is getting tired. Please keep writing this stuff down, you guys, all right? So YouTube channel on hair care has to get, how much you guys think? 200 million views in 5 years, all right? A dance from the website that you operate from has to get 1 million page views a month for 6 months straight, which equals, say it with me, 5 years, right? I hope you guys are staying with me. Let's keep it going. All right, so All those numbers, right? That sounds ridiculous. Does it sound ridiculous? All right. So everything there is what you would have to do to make $1 million for each venture, but you don't have the time to make the amount of videos or braid that many heads. You've got 5 years. So we prioritize the least amount of input from for the maximum amount of output and work towards that goal. Let's divide this million among the different ways we're going to use to get it. There are 6 ways, all right? 6 ways, but we're going to say 5 for the sake of easy math. So 5 years from now, let's go ahead and pick up our pens again. So we're going to have 1 million divided among 200,000 from braiding hair at $100 a head and 2 heads a day, 5 days a week for 5 years is more than 200,000. So we're going to have 200,000 from lookbook sales at 150, remember, a book. Then we're going to sell 26 books a week. And that's assuming you have already collected enough pictures to make a decent lookbook. So 26 seems like a lot until you think about how many hairstyles have lookbooks sitting in their shops in your state alone. Now, everyone, I know you've been in the hair salon. You go get your hair done. You see the little cute little book sitting next to you. You open it up and you look at it. Let's not act brand new, you guys. We all know what I'm talking about, right? All right. And then you have Amazon and Shopify, okay? So 200,000 from video courses on hair care and hair braiding. $250 a piece, sell 4 courses a week. Affiliate marketing for hair care and related products, commissions of $5 a unit, 160 units a week. YouTube channels on hair care with 50 million views. That's 200,000 views a week, which seems like a lot, but not if you have made videos every day or every other day and each video is getting 10,000 views or more. Google Adsense for website, 200,000 page views a month. That's 50,000 views a week. That's a lot, right? But you can stack Adsense with media.net and work hard to rank higher on Google, which will increase your income. And everyone wants increased incomes. Now that that's done, the hard work is done. Psych! That's just outlining the end goals of the 5-year plan. And if you do the math, you will notice that if done as written, everything ends up bringing in more than 200,000. All right? 200,000, that's not bad at all. But where do you want to go from here? Some people need to plan out even more with year 4 and year 3 and 2. But I like to skip to year 1, then 6 months to 1 month, and then you have actions to step that we'll need to take this week. All right, so we're going to go ahead and move on to this week. On that first week, you need to buy a domain name and hosting. All right, you need to set up a website, and I have a link on why you need to set up a website. You need to include online booking within 20-mile radius. Put Google Adsense on the website. Also put a section for reviews. People see good reviews, people are going to want to come to you. Always network, okay? Always have the people that you are helping make comments for you, make really good reviews for you so you can get that business coming in. You're going to buy a camera. If you don't have one, get permission to borrow one. Take pictures of your work. You got to put yourself out there, and they have to be high quality photographs from different angles, okay? Ask for reviews from each customer, like I said before. Let's say you can also create a YouTube channel. Make a video as often as you can, at least once a week. Put a Google Adsense on the video and link your video to your website. Blog about hair care mistakes, adventures, and events as often as you can, but at least, let's say, once a week. So you always have to keep working. You can't slack, okay? No breaks. Sign up for an affiliate program with Amazon, right? Amazon Associates, but find out if Sally's Beauty Supply has an affiliate program. And I'm pretty sure they do. Even Target has an affiliate program these days. Advertise these products on your site and get that affiliate link that gives you commission if they click and purchase from here. Everyone knows how YouTube works. You go watch a video, you have the affiliate, they're shouting out this brand, they're going to tell you to click the link. You see, just picture yourself in that position, all right? So you need to start taking notes. Practice and planning for your video course. Make it thorough and work every penny you charge. Make it worth more than what you charge, okay? Once you get your site up, create an email under that domain name. You're a business now. You need to be professional. You're going to need a domain name and you're going to need that email under that domain name. Nothing kiddie, nothing that you're going to forget or get rid of within in a week. You need something professional and that's going to stick with you. All right, start inviting everyone to go to your website to sign up and send weekly newsletters. People love newsletters. I honestly love newsletters. Keep people updated on what's coming. Ask them what they would like to see or what styles they would like to get done. Okay, let's go ahead and see. I know I'm filling you guys up with a lot of information. I hope I'm not losing you. So that's the way that you build up a relationship with them and you keep yourself relevant for the day that you ask them to buy from you. All right. So you are the deciding factor. At the end of the day, you are in control of your future. All right. As you've just seen, there is no vocational path that can't make you $1,000,000 with the right plan. You have the right plan, you're going to make millions of dollars, even 200,000 as we saw. But the main goal is millions of dollars. All right. No, it doesn't happen easily. Yes, sometimes it takes longer than 5 years, but guess what? 3 years into your plan, if you are working toward it every day, there is no way you aren't going to see results. Okay. So let's go ahead and make a plan and let's make that plan today. And I really loved making this video for you guys. I hope this was informative. I hope I inspired some of you to find a skill that you're really good at and let's make money off of it, okay? This is all about sharing the wealth, about seeing us grow, okay? Let's go ahead and make that million.